Hi friends! Do you know what makes someone's day brighter? Yes, you're right, a kind compliment. Today, I'm going to share some tips on how to compliment someone. Compliments aren't just about words. They show kindness, confidence, and care. Are you ready to learn how to make someone smile? Let's get started. Tip number 1. Look at the person you want to compliment. A good compliment starts with a smile and eye contact. When you look at someone and smile, it shows you really mean what you're about to say. Tip number 2. Think of something nice about the person. Maybe they did something awesome, like your friend in a wheelchair spinning a basketball like a pro.
Wow, that's such a cool skill. You make it look easy.
You're welcome.
Remember, when you see something good, then say something good. Tip number 3. Say your compliment clearly. Use a friendly voice and speak from your heart. Gentle words go a long way in making someone feel special. Now look at Bella. She's wearing a shiny white astronaut costume. How cool is that? What could you say to her to show you like her awesome outfit?
Wow, Bella, I love your astronaut outfit. You look ready to explore space.
Tip number 4. Be specific. When you give a compliment, make it clear and personal. That way, the other person knows exactly what you appreciate about them. Try these compliment starters. I like how you, for example, share your toys or help others. You make me happy when, for example, you tell funny stories or give great hugs. It was nice of you to, for example, help clean up or invite me to play. One great thing about you is, for example, your kindness or your cool dance moves. Specific compliments show that you really noticed and that you care. Tip number 5. Smile and mean it. When you give a compliment, let your smile do the talking. It shows you really mean what you say, and it makes the other person feel even better. Try it like this. Say your kind words with a happy face. Use a gentle voice that feels warm and true. And that's a wrap. You've just learned 5 awesome tips for giving compliments. Let's recap. Look at the person. Think of something kind. Say it clearly. Be specific. Smile and mean it. When you give a real compliment, you brighten someone's day and make the world a little kinder, one word at a time. I hope you learned something today. Until next time.